Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today I discuss on the topic how to write the equation for alpha decay. In the last tutorial I explained how to write the equation for positron emission. I'll give the explain the only overview of the alpha decay. Alpha decay particle is identical to that of helium nucleus. Okay. It contains the 2 protons and 2 neutrons. In this equation, this one is the unstable atom with the atomic number of proton with mass number. But in alpha decay, this atomic number of proton decreased by the 2 and mass number decreased by the 4, and helium helium and turns into the helium with the atomic number of proton 2 and 4. Okay, what happened in the alpha decay? The proton decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4. This is the overview of the alpha decay. Okay, now what happened in uranium during the alpha decay? I have already told about the proton, atomic number of proton turns into the turns with decrease by 2 and mass number decrease by 4. Okay, here, sorry, this is not atomic number of proton Z. Okay, see, in uranium, atomic number of proton, mass number is 233, uranium 233, and atomic number of proton is 92. And during alpha decay, this atomic number of proton decreased by 2, that is 90. Okay, then and mass number decreased by 4, that is how many? 229. 229. Okay, so during alpha decay, what happened? We find the new element. The name of this new element is the thorium. Okay, Th is the thorium. We use the periodic table and we find the which element have the atomic number of proton 90. Which element is the thorium? So write down same thorium with atomic number of proton 90 and mass numbers are change. How many? 229. Okay, then plus turns into the helium. Helium have atomic number of proton 2 and mass number 4. This is the equation obtained by using the alpha decay. Got it? Okay. Then next one is the gadolinium. What happened in gadolinium during the alpha decay? This is the equation. This gadolinium have proton number 64 and mass number 149. Then during alpha decay, it turns or decrease by 2, that is 62, and also mass number decrease by 4, that is 145, Okay, so write down same here. I have already given here. Gadolinium turns into the semenium. Which element have the atomic number of protons? 62 is a semenium. So during alpha decay, gadolinium turns into the semedium with the 62, semedium 145 and helium 4. Okay, this is the equation. Another example of equation during alpha decay. These all are the different examples obtained during the alpha decay. That is, the thorium is turns into the radium 8, radium 228. Then which one is the platinum? Platinum is turns into the osmium with 171, and then neptunium is this neptunium 237 is turns into the protactinium. Sorry, protactinium. This neptunium turns into the protactinium 233. These all are the examples of the alpha decay. Very simple one. In alpha decay, this below number, that is the atomic atomic number of proton decreases by 2 and mass number decreases by 4, and after that conversion we find a new element, and which element have the atomic number of proton, we find in periodic table and write down this symbol of this element and their atomic number of proton one side, and their decrease mass number decrease by 4 and plus helium. This is all about the alpha decay. How to convert the equation during the alpha decay. Hope so you understood properly. Any questions? Comment in the box. Thank you.